Oh, we are back, and the sound you heard just before the break, this lady starts my Christmas here on a Cup of Joe for the last few years. I mean, when she is here, I know Christmas
Come wrong again.
come wrong. I'm going to say wrong the corner, but it come wrong again. New song by Marcia Miranda. Hope you enjoyed. Fantastic. I really, really do love it.
Thank you very much.
I really do love
Thank
it.
you so very much.
But it's now time to roll out a recipe from trinicooks.com.
Yep, and I'm very excited.
I wanted you in the kitchen.
It's my first.
It's your first.
It's my first on television.
First time you're cooking on TV.
Cooking on TV, yeah.
But
it looks good. Yes, I do.
You do.
Otherwise, I would have run. I would have run away after the song. No,
So
I
you're
do.
accustomed, you're
Yeah,
accustomed in the kitchen.
Of course I do.
You're accustomed in the kitchen. So because you're accustomed in the kitchen,
Yeah.
I'm just going to tell you what to do, and you just, I can relax. Can you get a chair for me, please? Chair? No? All right.
You're getting carried away.
We are doing this morning, guys, a sweet and spicy shrimp topped with feta. So now Marcia, she doesn't do meat. You don't do meat at all.
I'm a pescatarian.
You're
That's
what?
I heard. I'm a pescatarian.
A pest.
All right.
A pest.
I'm not a pest.
You're not a pest?
No, I'm not a pest. I'm a pescatarian.
I've never heard that term before.
Apparently, a pescatarian is one who does not eat anything but seafood. I mean, I don't eat chicken and lamb and meat
Beef
and beef and
yeah, no.
pork and all that sort of thing. I
You-
just eat seafood. I love
Seafood.
seafood.
So you're not that's not a vegetarian.
No, I'm not a vegetarian. Not
Because
anymore. I do.
you do all seafood.
Yeah.
Including shrimp.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I'm not eating meat, shrimp would be my first call of seafood.
Yeah,
I love shrimp.
Yeah,
I love shrimp.
yeah,
So
I love shrimp.
we're doing a sweet and spicy shrimp. So very, very simple, guys. Get this recipe on trinicooks.com. It is as simple and flavorful. I like bold flavors, Marcia.
Yeah. And
So-
I like sweet and sour flavors too. not the
sweet and spicy, you
Yes,
know.
yeah,
And sweet and
yeah,
spicy kind of remind
yeah,
me of you a little
spicy.
bit. You know?
that's
Yeah,
it,
sweet
yeah.
and spicy.
Sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy.
Let's go.
Okay.
This here is chili garlic sauce. You can get it in any supermarket in the Asian aisle. It's normally it's like Asian flavored, but it's very spicy. It also is very salty. So hence, Marcia, we did not season with much salt here. Black pepper.
So it's just black pepper.
Just black pepper. This is a pinch of salt. This is a pinch of salt that we have here because that's very, very spicy and salty.
Right.
I'm going to add some good old Trini green seasoning to that. So we're making what is really like the marinade that the shrimp will get tossed into and become all one. What's now? Can I get, this is a little fancy spoon. Don't get too intimidated.
Okay.
It's, I want two
Thank you.
tablespoons.
Is this a tablespoon?
That's a
Yes,
tablespoon.
it
That's
is.
a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons
So we're
of honey,
using 2 tablespoons of
which is
honey.
the sweet element. Marcia is looking very, very comfortable.
I am, because I know it's going to taste good.
Very, very, very comfortable.
You have that.
you can have
I'll
that.
goes up. There we go. Right, let me go to
I'm using a lemon infused coconut oil that we have from CGA. So you can just add. It's really just to bring it all together. Yeah. So you can.
So it's about a
So
tablespoon.
measure about a tablespoon there for me.
Okay.
Let me see how.
Good I am.
Oh yeah. You have a tablespoon.
Yeah.
You're lucky. Yeah.
I'm not going to spoil this, don't worry.
I'm going to play very brave. I don't want the season there, but I just really want to freshen it up with
A little bit of lemon juice.
A little bit of lime juice. Lemon is Mr. Lemon now. Lemon expensive, you know.
Well, lime was Mr. Lemon. Lime the other day, so it's lemon too.
Right, freshen that up a little bit.
Yeah.
I have some garlic here. I like to use fresh ingredients as much as I can. So I have some garlic that I'm just going to chop up here very, very quickly and see how fast I can do this. I should have been doing this while I was instructing you.
That's all right.
Yeah.
You're doing a pretty good job.
I'm doing a pretty good job.
Cut off those fingertips.
I'll lose a couple of fingertips already. Yeah, I'll lose a couple already. So, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
See, he's good.
So just get a nice little thing. So much.
Right.
Get that in there. Get that in there, Marcy.
Right, so we got our garlic.
This here, Marcy, is rosemary.
Rosemary.
I love rosemary.
I love rosemary too.
I love rosemary. So I just really wanted just a few. This is very strong as well.
A few sprays.
Yeah, a few. What I want to do with the rosemary is probably give it also just a little rough chop. That kind of just to release the flavors of the rosemary a little bit. I'm adding that there. You don't need a lot of rosemary.
So, Joe, is this your unique, one of your own original unique recipes?
So it's a recipe that came from the brain of trinicooks.com. You know who that is?
Yes. Okay.
Trinicooks.com, I just said that most people don't know is my wife. And yeah. So she would normally brainstorm these recipes.
Yep.
If there isn't a recipe that is already on the website that she can pull.
You can take credit.
I can take credit. I can take credit for
Yeah,
it. But it's really one that she came up with.
Yeah.
And when she knew that you, of course, you did not eat meat, that she decided to come up with it.
Thanks, honey. That was really sweet of you. Alrighty. So are we ready now to add the shrimp?
I think we are. I think we are.
We put everything. I think, we put everything.
So let's get that shrimp in there. And basically, all we want to do is get that shrimp coated nicely. Marcia is doing the coating very nicely.
Yeah, I can cook nicely.
Yeah? Yeah. You see, it's looking good? Yeah.
Because you don't want to mash up the shrimp.
You don't want to mash up the shrimp, no. You don't want to mash up the shrimp.
So they have to be very gentle with it.
And that's why I wanted you to do it. I am not always that gentle, you know. I'm not always that gentle.
Alright.
But it looks good.
So
it looks good.
And it smells good.
It looks good. It looks good.
It smells good. Alright, so I think.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
We're ready.
For our feta.
So I want us to take our time with this because I don't want us to just pour this in. It's baking, guys, for just about, and I have the oven getting up to about 450. It's a hot oven, so it's almost like broil. You're getting it in there for just about 7 to 9 minutes for the most. Shrimp cooks very quickly.
Yeah.
So you really just want this nice sauce to bubble up nicely. So let's do this. No, I don't want, look what I want us to do. I want us to lay. I want us to, I want us to get fancy, you know, so help me lay.
Okay, just
one by one.
They're all covered.
They're all covered. And we just going around nicely. So you take,
Wait, no, doing it wrong.
No, it's not the right way. We just going around. Yeah.
Trying to make it look nice.
It look nice. Okay.
Right.
Right, and we go inside. Yeah. How you looking? You looking good there, you know?
You're looking good. We smelling good.
So we could kind of stick them more. Cause we want as much shrimp as possible. How much shrimp you could eat?
Maybe this entire thing, but I'll share.
You'll share with me. You'll share with me. Yeah.
Right, I think we're going good.
We're doing good.
God, this thing smells very good.
It smells good. It smells good. And you don't mind spicy?
No, I love spicy.
You love spicy. You love spicy.
And listen, we need a little more room.
We can get him in there.
Can we just get one guy more?
One more.
Yeah. Can I put the recipes over?
You can do that. You can do that. That's right. Don't waste any of it.
Not one bit. Not in these times. God, no, this looks good.
Okay, he's a pro.
Here.
He's a pro.
Right, so you ready for this?
And that's the final, the feta cheese.
So I don't want to. You have no to say.
Yes, I treat you bad.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's okay.
So
now.
And you sprinkle that feta cheese. Feta cheese also very salty, so that's why you don't really need much salt in this at all. No, you don't need much salt in it. Has a lot of salt content, a lot of bold flavors. And boy, oh boy, I can't wait to pop this in the oven.
Right, here we are.
Take a short break, guys, because when we come back, Marcia
it looks good and it's not even.
Look at that. And that just needs about 7 to 9 minutes in my piping hot oven, which is at 435. It's getting up to 450. So by the time we come back from the break, get this in the oven.
Sweet and spicy shrimp, topped with feta.
Thank you very much, my dear.
You're more than welcome.
Thank you very much. Marcia Miranda, the queen of Christmas, I like to call her here in Sweet TNT. Thank you so much for.
Well, then, welcome. Thanks for the opportunity to cook.
When we come back, we taste up, we talk and chat a little bit more with Marcia Miranda. Come on back.